Hi, in this short video, I'll be showing you how to set up the new phone verification that we've added inside LeadsHook. For that, you'll need Twilio. So when you log in to Tilia, you'll see a dashboard that looks like this. What we're looking for is to come down here and click that little button there, the one with the three dots. Hopefully I can show you that again, 3 dots there, and click on verify. Okay, so what I'll do is maybe you should pin that, and let's click that. So when you get to verify, yours will probably be blank. I've got 2 services already here just for testing, and what we want to do is go ahead and click and add in let's say LeadsHook phone verification. Click create, and it creates the service for you. There's a few options here that you want to work with. So the first one is how many digits you want them to type in. So you can go all the way up to 10 digits, you can do 6. It defaults to 6. I'm just going to use a 4-digit one just to make it nice and simple. This is not for security reasons. Obviously, we're just verifying the number. Like if you were doing it for an app or something, then you'd probably use more digits, but it's yours, so you can do what do you want. I'm going to turn lookup both of these options off, and the reason for that is because lookups are done separately, and it's going to needlessly consume more credits. All right, so we're going to turn that off. We're going to turn this off. We're going to leave that off. There's no speech. That's going to be enabled, which is good, and email integration is going to be left on. Okay, so we take care of that as well. Yeah, just leave that as a default, and that's it. Go ahead and save. Right, now I'm going to go back to verify, and you'll probably see the services that are listed, which is the one I just did over here, which is the one with the 4 digits, and that's our service ID. Now, okay, so next thing we're going to do is go into LeadsHook and add this into under integrations. So I'll just now inside LeadsHook, you want to go to admin, integrations, and you want to do this one here, not SMS, but this one here, SMS. It's a new feature coming up, but not quite yet. So Twilio phone verification, and you're going to go ahead and click add. And I'm just going to use the same name, which is LeadsHook phone verification, and you're going to enter your account SID. Okay, so your account SID is that, and your view token is going to be displayed when you click this. I won't do it, so that way I don't expose my token, but that's what you will do. Once you click it, it'll give you your token, and you can copy and paste these two. So that and that will be copied and pasted over here and over here, right? So that's basically all you're doing. After you've entered it, press save, and you'll see that your account SID appears over here. Obviously the token won't be there, and we have a couple of things you can do. So first, I can check my balance. If I do that, it shows me that I've got $18 left in my account, and if I can show you that inside over here, I can verify that that's right over here. So, okay, so that way you're verifying that the integration works. Okay, because if you can obviously pull in your balance, then this is a live API call that's gone into Twilio to pull back the number. You can also go to edit, and you can change those things around. Also, you can come over here and go manage verify services, where all your services are already here. You can add and delete all the services that you've got, right? Which is in our case, yeah, these 3 ones which we're pulling from inside Twilio. Right, so that shows you the integration is working quite nicely, and next thing to do is to go ahead and use this in the integration. So I'll show you how to do that next. Got a very simple decision tree here. I'm just asking a simple question: are you a man or woman? And I'm asking for a mobile field. So asking them to enter their mobile number. Just take note of this field here. It's mobile phone number, and that's the field that I'm using. Very, very simple mobile field. Now you can use a form as well for this if that's what you want to use. If it's, let's say, it's part of a name, address, and phone number, an email, then you'll be using the form node for that. I'm just using a single node just for a single phone number. And then this is the setup of the phone verification. So I'll do that, show you how to do that as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete. I'm going to go add and come down over here to phone verification. So drag and drop, and I'm just going to call this phone verification. My field is just mobile, right, which is just that one there is what I am using. My integration is going to be that one, which is I've just set up, and the service that I want to use is that one there, because it requires 4 digits. Here I'm just going to go, please enter your secret code, and incorrect. Okay, so just keeping it nice and simple. The button is going to be verify my phone number. Right, you can put a much nicer call to action. Save and exit, and that's going to be done. Now the next note, when you get to the next page, is going to be just a results page, which is just to say thank you. In my case, in your case, you'd obviously move your lead in whatever direction you want. Thank you, save and close, and I'm going to go ahead and close that up, publish, proceed. Yep, go ahead and save. This entry is published. I'll grab my direct link and come over here to incognito, press enter. Yes, asking for my phone number. Okay, so go ahead and enter your phone number to test. I'm going to enter mine and go ahead and press forward. And I've just received a message on my mobile phone, and I'm going to enter the number here, which is 7758 for this test, because I had selected the option with with 4 numbers. So I got a phone number verification on my mobile, and so I'll add a picture image of that somewhere on this page, and go verify my number, and there you go. It proceeds to the next page. Now let's say if the number was fake, or I added an incorrect number. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter my number again and go proceed. Normally takes about 3 to 4 seconds to get through. So perhaps that's something you could add as a thing. Please wait. Please check your phone, and the number will arrive in 3 to 4 seconds, or something of that sort, to let the lead know that there is a lag between this and when they come through. So I'm just going to enter in a fake number here, 1234, which is not the correct one, and it says incorrect. Okay, so that's where the message is displayed, or whatever message you want. And I'm going to enter the correct one, which I've just received, which is 3729. Verify, and I go ahead. Right, so that's ensures that the whatever phone number I've entered in is 100% verified. I'm going to show you one more example, which is the landline option. So I'm going to show you that now. Okay, and I enter another number again, so 02, which, and I'm going to go ahead and press enter, and I should get a phone call. And after entering a number that you would have received via the voice call, you end up on the next node here. So it looks like both sets are working. SMS works as well as the voice call works if it's a landline. So that's how you set up the new phone number verification. Thank you, and bye for now.